The day of surgery, my husband and I had to be here at 7 a.m. And when we came in, I was already pre-registered. I saw the lady at the front desk and she said, "Great, you're already registered." She put an armband on me and we sat out there, and then Karen came and got me. And Karen is the nurse that prepped me to get ready. She was great. She was going over my paperwork and I said, "Does it say no epidural?" And she said no, and she saw my face because I got a little nervous because I didn't want the epidural. And she said, "You don't want the epidural?" I said, "No, I really don't, and I don't want to be given a hard time about it." And she said, "No problem." And she wrote no like this big on my paper so that they knew not to, it wasn't even a question. And so then she came in and got me all ready. She started an antibiotic, got me dressed, and then they had Dr. Syed come in. And he was a phenomenal anesthesia. He just put me at ease, and I told him I was nervous, and he said that's normal. And he just made me laugh and made me feel more at ease. And even after the surgery, I want to share that Dr. Syed came up to my room afterwards, and he said, "I just wanted to check on you because do you remember seeing me when you woke up?" And I said, "I did." I said, "You had your hands on my face like this." And he said, "Because you woke up nervous and I just wanted you to know you were okay." What a wonderful experience. And I told him I did remember that. I absolutely did. And that the fact that he took the time to come up to see me, I guess because he knew I was so nervous, it just spoke volumes about the care that this health professions want to make sure that we're not just a number, we're not just a surgery, we're actually a person, a human being, and that they do care about each of us when we're under their watch. So it was phenomenal.